Hey, what is going on, guys? Tech Bro Cholo here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today, I'm gonna be out of my box and I'll be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. So of course, we're gonna jump straight to the cameras. Here we have a 64 megapixel f1.8 main camera, 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide, 5 megapixel f2.4 macro, and 5 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor. While on the front, we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera. That's one packed set of snappers, so you know for sure the pictures are not only gonna look nice and sharp thanks to PDAF, but you'll have a versatile arsenal for different kinds of shots. In broad daylight, the ultra-wide looked just as good as the main camera with pretty much consistent color and quality. Same goes for the macros as well, so you can get really artsy. If there's something I love about Samsung camera science, it's their post-processing. It's more often than not on point. Colors look gorgeous and accurate, and nothing seemed to be oversaturated or blown up. The same goes for the 32 megapixel selfie camera, which had great skin toning and stellar quality. Perfect for selfies at the beach and for all of your travels regardless of where you go. As for the night shots, they're also okay, but not exactly what I'd call a highlight. You still get usable photos, but I'd primarily use this for daytime photography. And if you're thinking about vlogging, you, my friend, are in luck. You'll be able to take gorgeous footage that's not only vlog-worthy but pretty steady thanks to OIS. I wasn't even afraid to get up close and personal because of the IP67 water resistance, so your fear isn't gonna limit you as much when you're shooting. Basically, I adore the cameras on the Galaxy A52s 5G. They're perfect for Instagram, Facebook, all that social media stuff, and even on YouTube if you're a vlogger just like me. Now editing or viewing all that footage is a treat thanks to the 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display. That's a mouthful, but the AMOLED here is great quality. You'll be getting vibrant colors and deep blacks, resulting in an immersive viewing experience whether that's YouTube, Netflix, or your very own videos. Pair that up with some great dual firing speakers and you'll enjoy your favorite shows regardless of where you are or even if you're on the road. No lag too thanks to the lightning fast 5G connection, which means no buffering when you're binging. Here's an audio sample and I swear it's not going to be as windy or as noisy as this. Back to the screen, and not only will it work fast thanks to the internals, but feel snappy too thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate. I'm seeing less and less standard 60Hz screens these days, and a fast 120Hz is a feature you'll want to leap on. It's really that much better, and One UI 3.1, which is based on Android 11, worked just fine. Inside, we have a Snapdragon 778G processor paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB of expandable storage. Clearly, it's a capable set of internals, which will do great with work and especially gaming. A pretty powerful combo that should have no problems keeping up with the aforementioned 120Hz display. While games can be played in a mix of medium to high, no need to worry about lag thanks again to that fast 5G connection. Just the thing you need to wind down after a long day at the beach or while traveling. I mean, that's for me. I play Wild Rift every single day because, the grind don't stop, and I'm probably gonna play a couple of games later too. And to cap things off, we have a 4500 mAh battery that lasted us 10 hours and 37 minutes from 100 to 20%, which should get you through a day, but if you need a quick charge, we have a 25-watt fast charger. In 30 minutes, it got us from 18 to 46%, which isn't bad at all. It's okay for those quick charges while resting in between shoots. There you have it, my look at the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. The G is obviously for gaming, but I hope I was able to show you guys that it's way more than just a gaming phone. You have a stellar set of powerful cameras which both photographers and vloggers will love, as well as features that help this mid-range phone contend closely with other phones in the segment. Along with the 120Hz refresh rate and 5G connectivity, it's also very future-proof. And if you're looking to get an upgrade this Christmas, you can grab it for 22,990 pesos for the 8GB RAM 128GB storage version and 24,990 pesos for the 8GB RAM 256GB storage version. You guys can check out more tech reviews on Unbox.ph. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yup, subscribe because when you hit 250k subs, we're giving away a smartphone and we are very, very close to that. So don't forget to use the hashtag sub2unbox. Hit the notification icon if you want to get updates when you drop videos. Once again, it's your Tech Pro Cholo, and I'll see you guys when I get back to Manila.